What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Review It All. Today we are talking about the Blackstone On the Go 22-inch griddle. But is it worth the price, the $200 price point? Well, we're going to find out. Stick around. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Never mind the table. The table's not a Blackstone table. I'm going to go over that in another video. So if you want to get any information about this table, stay tuned. So real quick, we'll just do a real quick overview about the outside. Again, quality. You're getting a Blackstone. All right, so Blackstone is obviously really good quality. You get a nice logo right here. This is the 22-inch, and then you got your nice knobs, and you just feel the quality as soon as you take it out of the box, which setting up was a breeze. The only thing that was a pain was trying to find the stuff that I needed to set up, like these 4 legs. It took me a minute to find them. Once I found them, all I had to do is screw them in. And the handle itself, that was the only thing I had to install. And then these do come in separate pieces right here. As you can see right here, you just slide those in to the knob, or I'm sorry, the knob into this hole and then push it forward, and it sets right here on the back. However, when you go to transport it, these do separate, so be careful with that. Grab it by the base and then just lift up and carry the whole unit by itself. It does come with a small gas regulator, but I wanted to set up my 20-pound, so I went ahead and bought this. I think it was 24 bucks at Lowe's, and there will be a link in the description for everything down below. And you get 1 grease trap with it, so I went ahead and purchased some more, a pack of 6, and then you get the vents on the back. The grease trap holder comes with it. And then that's basically the outside. Go ahead and open her up, and you see that you get a nice wide 22-inch griddle, 2 burners, bam, bam, left and right. These do get fire hot. So when I did my smash burgers, they cooked so quickly, but they were absolutely fire, so good. And then to ignite it, just click, boom, and bam, you're on fire. And then do the other one, do the same thing. That's it for the outside. So for our first meal, we did smash burgers. I just mentioned that as absolutely incredible. Best smash burgers I've ever had. This isn't a recipe channel or anything like that, but I can definitely tell you, I'll do a video just on the smash burgers alone. And then I also did chicken last night, and my chicken's usually not that good. It's dry, it's nasty, pretty much unedible, and my family hates when I do chicken. But I wanted to try it on the griddle. Just to see if I could, fix it a little bit, fix my problem. And I absolutely crushed it. The chicken was juicy, it was flavorful, it was so good. And I absolutely recommend this griddle to anybody. And this morning, one thing I will say is that make sure your griddle is level. And I say that because I had eggs on here this morning, and I had the bacon to the side, hash browns over here. And I went ahead and poured my eggs, probably a little bit too much eggs, and it just went all over the place. But I was able to salvage it, and breakfast was killer, so that was good. But that's basically it. Quick and simple review. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you learned anything, there will be a link in the description down below in case you guys are interested in the griddle itself, but I highly recommend it. Next video is going to be a video on the table itself, and there's a reason why I bought this table, so hope you guys stick around. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, subscribe. Again, links for everything in the description down below.